Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to download the Tinder app on your mobile device. So first, go ahead and open the Play Store, then tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, go ahead and tap on the search bar at the top, then type in Tinder. Then you see an app launched by the official Tinder LLC. Go ahead and tap on the install button. Then after a few moments, the installation will be complete. After the installation is complete, tap on open. From here, you can sign in with a Google account, Facebook or a phone number, and you're ready to use Tinder on your mobile device. And now you guys know how to download Tinder app on an Android. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.